What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Quick tip: if your supply lines for your air conditioning unit, the foam is on its way out, what you're going to do is you're going to locate your old stuff, you're going to cut it off, go nice and easy. Sometimes you'll see a wire in between, and that is like a thermostat wire that controls this outside unit. Don't cut that, but cut all your tie wraps. Peel this old stuff away. You can see how it's all rotted. Okay, then you want to run over to the depot. I found these are pretty cool. It's a soft foam, flexible, and it's got stickers on both sides so you can seal it. So what I'm going to do is cut all this old stuff off, go nice and easy, and you're going to recover it with the new foam. All right, after exposing it all, you can see the condensation buildup from the air conditioning and the humidity. All right, it's all taken off, so we're going to replace it with the new. Like I said, it's just wrap it around the pipe, fit it, and then peel these stickers off and seal it together. What's nice about this foam, and it's soft foam, is it goes around corners. All right, you don't need to buy those pieces, the corner pieces, to make the corners. So it just follows it. It's nice and soft. It's not the hard styrofoam like this stuff. This is a little bit cheaper. This stuff is foam and it goes with the bends. So I'm just going to put another piece in here and complete this. And then we'll throw one on this small one. I'm not sure if you really need it, but I'll put it on there anyways. I have an extra. But it looks nice and neat. And what you're basically going to do is you're going to grab the two pieces of the plastic. You pull them off at the same time. And as you're pulling them off, with your other hand, you're sealing it. Just like that. Works out well. You just want to cover it. Use tie wraps. I did leave the wire on the outside. I didn't want to put it on the inside because it had to come out anyways to go into the unit. Keep this wire on the outside of your work. And you can see it came out nice and sealed. And it will last. Alright, so now that the foam is all replaced, the last thing you're going to want to do is to cover the foam with some of this stuff. It's called line set tape. It's UV resistant. It protects fading and all that from the sun. So you're going to want to wrap each one of these with tape. If they're together like mine and they're close, you could wrap them together. When it comes out here and spreads apart, you just go one side with one piece of tape, the other side. So let's get to it. Quick little pointer: when you're wrapping this, obviously you can't get the tape behind here, and you don't want to pull on these, because if you pull on them and crack them, you're done. So what you do is you take your tape, hang the tape up here on the top, pull out a little bit like this, all right, then just cut it, and then take this little flap and go underneath and back up around and squeeze it. And you basically have to do it in pieces. All these are separate. Another strip, bring it out to about here, cut it, and then tuck it up and around. And make sure you overlap each one by a little bit. And then just squeeze it. Alright, so let me finish this little piece up and then we'll do these separate ones here. Alright, so we're finished. This is what it looks like when it's done. The line tape. Alright, it looks good. This, in fact, will increase your efficiency inside the house by about 10 degrees, they say, if you have these covered and they're done right. Alright, so if you know anyone who has a house, they just bought one, go take a look at the lines, make sure they're wrapped properly. If not, you can go out and buy this stuff yourself. I appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. And if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and share the video. It gets to more people and it helps people out. And if you can, I got a Teespring account in the links below. And if you purchase anything with Sunny on it or High Ridge Handyman, proceeds will go to St. Jude Hospital. I marked it down as much as I can, where I'm only going to make probably $1.50, maybe $2 an item, all right, instead of the $17 to $20 that most people do. But yeah, whatever I make on the Teespring, it will go to St. Jude. And I do appreciate all the subscribers and all the people who take the time to watch my videos. All right, what do we got to do now? Yo, Sonny! Are you there, Sonny? That's right, you can catch High Ridge Handyman, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, all right? And we'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget to check out the Teespring account below. Sonny! Yo, Sonny!
Yeah, Sonny.